Hello, my name is Brian Spitz. Let's talk about overtime rates. Most employees and even employers don't understand their full obligations under the Fair Labor Standards Act. In fact, many of the clients that come to visit us come for other reasons and find out that they have overtime violations from their employer and can collect substantial amounts of back wages. Some of the common misconceptions are that if you have a salary, you're not entitled to overtime. This is not necessarily true. The consideration is whether you are an exempt or a non-exempt employee. And simply because an employer tells you you're exempt or that you're salary does not mean that you're not entitled to overtime. Additionally, an employer may tell you you're an independent contractor, but this also may not be true if the employer is controlling the manner and method of your employment to a very significant detail and provides you the equipment to do that job. Additionally, the employer may tell you that you have to do certain tasks beneficial to the employer off the clock, such as donning protective gear before work or preparing certain materials in advance of work to have it ready when work begins. Sometimes employers will tell you that you have to eat lunch at your desk to answer phones, but that's your lunch break and you shouldn't get paid. That's not true. If you are doing work for your employer, you're entitled to be paid for those hours and overtime at time and a half if you go over 40 hours during that week. Another trick of employers is telling people who work on various job sites that they don't get paid for driving back to the home office to return equipment at the end of the day. Again, this is time that you're working for your employer and on their behalf. You're entitled to get paid for what you work. If you find out that you are not being paid for your overtime wages, call the right attorney. Call us today at 216-291-4744 or visit our website at www.calltherightattorney.com for a free and